This is almost mind-boggling. So I got this data from a public website. I'll put the link below so you can check it out yourself. You can play around with it if you don't believe me. This is a site that tracks every county in the United States, and it tracks the difference in cost between an individual policy, health insurance policy, and a small group policy. And what it does is it tracks it from 2017 to 2023. And it's an online site. And what you can do is you can hover over any particular county in a state to see what the average individual rate is for a 27-year-old or a 50-year-old on a bronze or a gold plan. So there's lots of variations. So to keep it simple, I did that for a 50-year-old on a bronze plan, just to give an example. And this is in Alabama, and this is in Madison, Alabama, just to pick one county just to keep it consistent. And what I did is I took screenshots and I printed 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and then I wrote down, or I looked at the individual cost of the health insurance plan. So this is for a 50-year-old on a bronze plan. Keep in mind, we're just looking at relativity in terms of how has the individual market changed over time in this county. Every state's a little different. Every county's a little different, right? But just give you an idea. Because we're hearing about this individual market is lower rate increase than the traditional small group or mid or large group market, or even the self-insured market. So in 2017, I need some glasses here. 2017, Madison County, Alabama, the individual policy average was $508 per month. All right. 2018, it went to $532, which is a 4.7% increase. From 2018 to 2019, it jumped to $550 a month, which is a 3.4% increase. Then in 2020, it went to $587 a month, a 6.7%. In 2021, it went to $603, a 2.7. 2022, $645, which is a 6.9. And in 2023, it went down to $620, which is a negative 3.9%. If you do the math from beginning to end, which is a 6-year time frame, it went from $508 to $620 per month for the same type of person in the same county, which is the individual market. So how has it shifted? That is a 22% increase over 6 years, which is an average of 3.6% per year. 22%. I have clients now that are getting 22% per year on their health plan, especially if they have more than 50 employees, because they're rated on claims and on risk. The individual market, one of the big benefits of it, and there were several negatives, but one of the big benefits is that you're moving your whole block of employees and their children and the spouses, anyone on your medical plan, and you're putting them into a very large risk pool of individual policyholders where there's more competition, but it's also spreading the risk out. So you're getting out of the claims business. Just one of the many advantages of an individual coverage HRA. If you'd like to learn more, go to our website. I have a free resource there where you can download without opt-in. It's millenniangroup.com/learnichra, LEARNICHRA. If I can help run an analysis, let me know. But this is highlighted in pink, which you can't see because it's black and white, because I'm going old school. 22% over 6 years. It's pretty solid. And what do you do with the savings? You give it as a raise, you give it as a bonus, you do some marketing, you enhance the profits of the company. There's lots of things you can do rather than sending it to the big insurance companies.